Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be going through the PSLE 2024 paper. So this is question number 30. The diagram shows a bird feeding on the nectar of a flower plant K. So this is the flower of plant K and we have a bird over here. The bird helps in process of reproduction in plant K. Name this process. So we are really talking about plant reproduction. So let us recap first. You have pollination. You have fertilization. You have seed dispersal. And you have germination. So depending on what they give it to you, the answers can revolve around this four process. We can actually further divide them into these two parts. If you see a flower in the diagram, most likely it's these two processes. If you see a fruits or seed, then these will be the two processes that you need to talk about. Okay, which makes sense, right? Because after fertilization, then you can have fruits and flower, seed dispersal and germination then can occur. So this will be the main part. And between these two things, right, as long as the question involve about animals, right, usually it involves these two things. Animals. Okay? Because animals take part in pollination, animals also take part in seed dispersal. And you have these two, you have flowers, you have a bird which is an animal, so answer most likely is pollination. The bird is actually pollinating the flower while getting the nectar. This is pollination. Very clear cut. So this is one very quick way to find out which process should you be talking about. Is it pollination, fertilization, seed dispersal, or germination? You see an animal, most likely these two processes, then you see whether there is flower or fruits or seeds. And this will be something that can help you. Okay, the diagram shows the life cycle of plant K. So you have a seed dispersed followed by process R, young K plant, adult plant, name process R. Okay, they will tell you that this is a seed that's going to a young plant, so we'll be looking at this portion. Okay, seed dispersal and germination. They will tell you that seed dispersal followed by process R. So this is out. Germination is the answer. Germination. Okay, so always remember that it will be in this process. Pollinate, fertilize, seed dispersal, germinate. This will be the order. Okay. State how dispersal of seed benefit young plant K. So when the young plant K is being dispersed, or when it's doing a seed, it get dispersed, right? And you found a place that can germinate, it will be beneficial because this process help to disperse the seed further away from the parent plant. Okay, I'm going to show you a text from the textbook. So this is from the textbook, seed dispersal, page 18 of a P5 new textbook. So after fertilization, parent plant needs to ensure that the seeds are scattered far away from the parent plant. Why? Because they want to reduce overcrowding, competition between parent plant and young plant for light, mineral salts, water, and space. So you can write it in this way. Okay? So the young plant can be dispersed. Because of seed dispersal, the young plant can be dispersed further away from the parent plant to do what? Reduce overcrowding and competition for a few things. Sunlight, water, space, and mineral salts or nutrients. Okay. The textbook actually have changed it to this term already. So it will be better to stick to this term. Okay, stick to this. Okay, stick to this rather than nutrients, because there are some schools that may accept nutrients. They may accept. May accept. But I think in this case it's very rare because the textbook already say mineral salts. So usually most schools will just follow the word mineral salts instead of nutrients. But there are some portion of schools that they are still using this term as well. So so this four factors must be present. So you can remember it as SWSMS. Sunlight, water, space, mineral salts. And this will be a way to remember, or if your schools require you to write nutrient, then it will be N. Okay, so this is the part that we talk about for question number 30. Okay, let me just zoom it out so they can take a screenshot. Okay, with that, thank you very much.